Good morning students. This is your second SST class and today I am going to start a new chapter, that is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Book B, page number 65. First, what are natural vegetation? Vegetations which grow naturally in the nature without any help of the people are called natural vegetation. Some factors like sunlight, air, temperature, height affect natural vegetation. Suppose if we move up on the mountains, temperature decreases and it affects the natural vegetation. This lead to a change in the natural vegetation. If we move from one place to another place, we can also observe a rapid change in natural vegetation, because I have told you that some factors affect the natural vegetation. In our country, means in India, a wide range of natural vegetation found. In our country, a wide range of natural vegetation is found, and it happened due to the varied climatic condition and geographical features. You can see different types of natural vegetation in our country due to the varied climatic condition and geographical features like height, different types of rainfall, temperature, humidity, etc. Because all the places are not in same height, all the places don't get the same temperature and same rainfall. So natural vegetation, we can see a change in natural vegetation from one place to another place in our country and all over the world also. A change in natural vegetation also affects wildlife. In many vegetation, you can see many animals like tiger, lion, fox, etc. So if the natural vegetation is changed, then it affects the life of the wild animals. The natural vegetation of the world is broadly classified into 4 parts: forest, grassland, desert and tundra. So students, natural vegetations of the world can be divided into 4 parts. Forest, grassland, desert and tundra. A wide variety of wildlife inhabits in each natural vegetation. Let's know about them in detail. Today I will discuss only one natural vegetation, that is forest. What are forests? Forests are large areas of land covered by many trees. So a land which is covered by many trees is called a forest. In a forest, you can see many types of trees like tree, climbers, herbs, etc. And the thickness and the types of plants and trees differ from one forest to another forest within a country also, and in a state also. Therefore, some forests are dense and look greener than the other. Wildlife also differ gradually depending on the type of forest. The two climatic factors, temperature and rainfall, affect the wildlife and the vegetation also. So temperature and rainfall affect the wildlife and the vegetation. Based on these factors, forest can be divided into 4 parts: tropical, temperate, coniferous and Mediterranean. Tropical, tropical, temperate, coniferous and Mediterranean. So students, forest can be divided into 4 parts, that are tropical, temperate, coniferous and Mediterranean. In the next class we will discuss about these 4 groups of forest. Till then you will watch this video and prepare your lesson. Thank you.